Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to quickly array your models in just a few minutes? I will show you the exact steps to configure everything perfectly. Let's get started. Part 1. Linear Array. In the Design tool, select a model, click Array, and choose Linear Array. Firstly, define a starting point, then specify the direction and end point. Use the top toolbar to select Fixed Pitch or Fixed Length. Let's demonstrate with Fixed Pitch as an example. Set Pitch and Number. Once the settings are complete, click Confirm. Part 2. Polar Array. Select a model, click Array, and choose Polar Array. Firstly, define a starting point, then click on any point along the edge of the array object to confirm the rotation direction. Use the top toolbar to choose Fixed Intervals or Fixed Total Angle. Let's demonstrate with Fixed Total Angle as an example. Set Angular Interval and Number. Once the settings are complete, click Confirm. Part 3. Rectangular Array. Select a model, click Array, and choose Rectangular Array. Firstly, define a starting point. Then use the top toolbar to select Fixed Pitch or Fixed Quantity. Let's demonstrate with Fixed Quantity as an example. Set quantity as needed. Confirm the array direction. And click left mouse button or press Enter to complete. That's all. Thanks for watching.